No, I'm not talking about chimpanzees or gorillas, our closest relatives. It's one of those amazing facts that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's 100% true. Koalas have fingerprints that are almost indistinguishable from human fingerprints. So, how is this even possible? Our last common ancestor lived more than 160 million years ago, back when dinosaurs were still roaming the earth. We're mammals, they're marsupials. We're primates, they're in their own unique family. Yet, against all odds, both of our species developed these intricate, swirly patterns on our fingertips. This incredible phenomenon is called convergent evolution. It's when two unrelated species independently evolve similar traits to solve a similar problem. Think of it like nature finding the same brilliant solution twice. They both just figured out that wings are a great way to get around in the air. The same principle applies to koala fingerprints. So, what's the problem that fingerprints solve? For both humans and koalas, it all comes down to one thing: grit. This gives us a much better grip, whether we're holding a tool, climbing a ladder, or just picking up a piece of fruit. Now, let's look at the koala's lifestyle. They eat there, they sleep there, they raise their young there. Their survival depends entirely on their ability to climb and hold on tight to smooth, sometimes slippery eucalyptus bark. Those fine ridges on their finger pads provide the extra friction they need to securely grasp branches and carefully select the tastiest leaves. It's a perfect example of form following function. The demands of a climbing, leaf-grabbing lifestyle led both primates and koalas down the exact same evolutionary path to develop these unique patterns. Let's dive a little deeper into the science of it. The size, shape, and density of the ridges are so strikingly similar to ours that it's genuinely baffling. But it illustrates just how identical these prints are at a microscopic level. That's a direct quote from a scientific paper. You won't find them on dogs, cats, or horses. This exclusivity makes the koala's case even more special. It's a trait shared by us, our primate cousins like chimps and monkeys. And this one outlier from down under. It's like being part of a very exclusive club. It's not just about climbing. It's likely about a combination of climbing and needing to manipulate small objects with precision. Like a primate selecting a ripe fruit or a koala carefully picking a specific eucalyptus leaf. Eucalyptus leaves can be toxic if not chosen correctly, so this fine-tuned sense of touch, enhanced by fingerprints, could be a matter of life and death for a koala. Beyond the cool factor, this discovery has some real-world implications. Studying how these fingerprints develop in koalas could give us new insights into genetics and embryonic development. By comparing the genes responsible for fingerprint formation in koalas and humans, scientists might be able to pinpoint the exact genetic code that creates these patterns. This could help us better understand certain genetic conditions in humans that are linked to fingerprint patterns. It's a field of study called dermatoglyphics, and koalas have just given us a whole new, independent model to learn from. The story of the koala's fingerprint is more than just a fun piece of trivia. It's a beautiful illustration of the power and creativity of evolution. It connects us, in a very tangible way, to a creature that seems so different from us on the surface. We might live on opposite sides of the world and eat very different diets. But when you get down to the fine details, we share a surprising and wonderful connection. It is a testament to the shared challenges of life on this planet and the incredible ways that life adapts to overcome them. The next time you see a picture of a koala, don't just see a cute, fuzzy animal. See a master of grip, a fellow climber, and a distant evolutionary cousin with fingerprints so much like your own, they could almost be family. If you found this as amazing as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world.